is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hi guys, so this is March's Craftiosity box. I'm afraid I'm doing it a bit late again. It's now the 26th of March. It has been with me for a little while. I've just had studying to do, so I haven't had a chance to film anything. But my studying is almost done and then I'll be back to a more regular schedule on here. But should we have a look, see what we got? As usual, I've paid for this all myself, but I do have a code if people are interested in buying a box themselves. My code will give you 20% off your first box, and I'll make sure that's up at the top here somewhere. So I can't actually remember what's in here. They give us a sneak peek at the beginning of each month. We know what's coming so that we can get excited, but I can't actually remember what this one is, so we'll have a look, shall we? I always try to open it without tearing the paper too much because I like to reuse the paper. So that one came off quite nicely. That's a pretty one, it's unusual, isn't it? This is nice little thing. Ooh, I really like that. That's a stunning picture. Usual little welcome thing. Oh, look at these postcards this time. These are stunning. I do like nature photography and pictures. It's my thing. I love them. Okay, so we have the embroidered moon tea towel project. Oh yeah, we're embroidering a tea towel. So it has a link for the video on there. And this is our instruction. So it says we should have an embroidery hoop, cotton tea towel, dark grey embroidery thread, mid blue embroidery thread, light blue embroidery thread, dusky pink embroidery thread, embroidery needle, and embroidery design template. We also need a pair of sharp scissors and a sharp pencil. So pretty simple. And obviously it has all the instructions in like it always does. So let's have a look. This is a really good sized tea towel. I mean, it's not all on screen. So this looks nice. So this is going to be a fun one to do. 100% cotton. It's got its little care label on there, so that's all good. And a little tag to hang it with, so it's a nice tea towel. So we have our embroidery hoop. This is 5-inch embroidery hoop, 100% bamboo. It's a nice little embroidery hoop. There's our needle, our sharps needle. So that's cool. And we have some, so this is colour code 01031. You probably can't see that from there, but it's a nice blue. And then we have this one, which is colour code 01008. An anchor embroidery thread, really good embroidery thread. I've used that for most of my life. So as a kid I've been using them. As a kid I used them as friendship bracelet makers. So this colour code is 00976. And then this one, which is 00273. So really pretty, and I think that might be everything. Let's just have a look. I just like playing with this, to be fair, because it's just so fun and bouncy. So I think so. This looks like it's going to be a fun one to do. Guess the templates in the instructions. Let's have a look. It says about placing the template in the bottom right corner. Am I just going blind? Oh, that will be the template, won't it? silly me, that's the template. Give me a brain, I'll be dangerous, won't I? So that's going to go into the bottom right corner. So down there, I don't know if you'll be able to see the thing, but I can see the markings clearly. I don't know if you can from there. But that means we can then draw over what we've got to do and put it all on. So it's going to be really pretty. I'm really looking forward to it. So, as usual, I will attempt to do a time-lapse video. I'm putting this all back in the wrong order. This is not going well. Yeah, I'll attempt to do a time-lapse video of this, but this one might be a little more difficult to film. But we can see, I've not really filmed any of my embroidery stuff, so I'm not great at embroidery, but I'm not terrible, so hopefully we should get something that looks usable when we do it. But yeah, do check back. This is probably going to take me longer than a week, so this one might appear in a couple of weeks or so, because I'm not particularly a fast embroiderer. So yeah, maybe check back in a couple of weeks for the time lapse of this one. But do check for the time lapses of the other kits that I've done, which I've really enjoyed doing. As I said, use my code for 20% off your first box. I'm not paid to do any of these videos. I do them because I like doing them. They have sent me one box once, but I was already doing videos for them at that point already because I just enjoy doing them. I really like their kits. I've learned a lot of really fun crafts doing them, and I've got some really great supplies. So I genuinely like Craftiosity boxes. They are always something fun and different, and I just really enjoy them. So if you're looking for a craft box that has multiple different crafts and not just all yarn or all knit or crochet or something, these are really good. So yeah, if you're interested, do check out their address. I think it's craftiosity.co.uk. I haven't got the web address on me, but it will be linked in the bottom along with my discount code. So have fun and check back soon. I'll see you all later. You take care. Bye.